I was doing a certification workshop. And most people who go to certification workshops, who get certified in the Hogan Assessments to be able to administer and interpret them correctly, most of these participants are HR practitioners, business partners, coaches, consultants, something like that. There was a particular standout that I saw, and this was it wasn't a large company, but it was maybe a mid-sized company, and it was the CEO of the company. Really didn't have anything to do with HR, wasn't helping with all of the lower and mid-level decisions. So I was a bit perplexed as to why this person wanted to join and get Hogan certified. So I go through the first day, and when we have our break, I go up and I say to this person, I say, hey, great to meet you. I'm curious, just given your role, why are you here, right? And this person said, I took these assessments and I was just blown away by the data and I wanted to know more. And I read every line of the reports and everything was very true. This person had very extreme scores, so the reports themselves that we provided were very, very accurate for this person. So this person says, I was blown away by the reports. I wanted more information. I picked up this book, I read more about it, and I wanted to know more. So I decided I wanted to get certified. I had the time, I wanted to do it. And throughout the course of the workshop, I could see this person just taking vigorous notes. And I got to know this person a little bit later, and some months after the workshop, I checked in again. I said, so how is it going for you? How, using the assessments and all that? And he says, well, I use the assessments and that's great, but really what has stuck with me is the model that Hogan uses to understand humans, as he called them. To understand humans has really been what stuck with me. It's really been what has been anchored in my head. So I'm evaluating all my relationships based on what they're motivated by, like what kind of environments maybe I should create to help them feel better, right? What is their personality? What is their dark side, right? Like what is their shadow self? And it ended up being this really benevolent answer to the question and to this check-in, because he said his relationships were improving vastly as a result of this, because he was really thinking about, he wasn't thinking anymore, oh, I've got this tension with someone and thinking about what he wanted and why he's not getting what he wanted. He started understanding his relationships more and understanding, oh, this is why I may have tension with my coworkers. And he was extending it to his family as well. This is why I have tension with my dad, because my dad's like this and I'm like this, and that's a natural thing. And we don't really change that, but that's okay. And it has just always stuck with me. It happened years ago and it's always stuck with me. And I have started doing the same thing. And it's really improved a lot of my relationships, both at work and at home as well.